Hello?
Hello. Is this right time for you to talk right now, sir?
Yeah, yeah.
Sir, I am Lata from Ahmedabad. Long back I had a discussion with you
Yes.
regarding acidity and all.
Regarding?
Acidity
Okay.
problem, GERD problem.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, I'm since long I didn't follow properly, but I did only walk and rest for 10 times, at least minimum 10 times per day.
Mm-hmm.
And while eating one more than one glass of water I used to drink, and then after that I don't feel like drinking water, so I won't drink water much. That is what two things I'm following, whatever you said. My burping got reduced, but it's not completely reduced. And sometimes acidity feeling is also there, so I'm having that fear when it will be coming, when it will be.
Sorry, fear of?
Fear of that acidity. Should I eat this? Should I not eat this? That fear is often there. And someone said that because of GERD, you may have the heart attack, this and that and all. So I'm having that fear a lot. So
See, I'll explain. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
See, whatever spices are there, these increase the stomach acid.
Which one, sir? Which one?
Spices.
Spices. Okay.
Yeah, because that is what you are scared of. That if you eat spicy food, then you will have acidity. Spices
Yes, sir.
help in making more acids in the body.
Okay.
In case you take any medicines for acidity, the object of the acidity medicine is to lower the stomach acids.
Okay.
If you don't have sufficient acids, if your pH level drops, then your body's immunity also drops, and then the possibility of infection increases drastically.
Okay.
Now, with walk and rest and with reducing the water intake, you are increasing your pH, you are reducing your pH level, or rather, you are increasing your acids. So, your immunity will go up.
Okay.
And while your acids are increasing, you need more stomach acids to digest the spices also. So as you improve, you have to gradually start consuming spices and other things also which you are scared of.
Okay.
Sometimes you might feel a hit back. Let us say you have taken more than what you could digest.
Yes,
you might have some discomfort, but that is only temporary. In case you have a discomfort, stop for another 3-4 days, then again reduce the quantity of spices and then try again. Unless and until you increase your spices, your acidity will not be cured fully.
Okay.
The only thing is that you have to manage in such a manner that it is gradual and you don't have much of discomfort also.
Okay.
So keep on increasing gradually, and you might reach within 6 months a point where you are taking the maximum spices as compared to normal people. You can take more than normal people also, there is no harm.
Okay.
But the only thing is it has to be gradual and slow.
Okay.
So don't worry about anything because this system is not harmful at all.
No, I can really, I know that this is true. I am absolutely believing in it. So but whatever you said, I'm not following completely. I can do 10 times per day only.
That is also okay. See, instead of not doing 10 times or 12 times or 15 times is fine. And gradually you try to incorporate that into your lifestyle. Let us say you have to go for shopping, then make it a point to walk for 5 minutes and then maybe rest also. It is not necessary that you have to do it at home only. Try to control your anxiety, try to be at peace, so that after 5 minutes, if you get a chance to rest somewhere, rest. If you don't get a chance, you can definitely, because your stamina is much better after that, and you can walk for even 20 minutes or 30 minutes also. But if you get a chance, then don't push up things, then take rest also.
Okay. So I have that palpitation also, sir. Quite often it is coming. Palpitation problem is also there.
But it is not reduced.
It has reduced, but it is coming. It is there. It has reduced a lot.
The palpitation reason is also the same. As your energy will go up, it will also disappear.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
The only thing is
Okay.
it is taking more time. Maybe then you start following it more religiously, and then you'll have faster results.
Okay. Okay. So I should do walk and rest for 15 times per day.
Yes, yes.
15 times. And that hydration, dehydration, I am not. I think I not following that properly, or I I don't know what should I do.
Try doing that as well. Hydration, dehydration, everything is important. See, when you
Okay.
make changes in your fluid, immediately it will change your blood parameters.
Okay. Okay.
And changing your blood parameters is also not important because your vital organs also are consisting of the cells and tissues.
Okay. Okay.
And you need to basically make your vital organs stronger, tissues of the vital organs stronger. And this hydration,
Okay.
dehydration to some extent create a situation where you are able to manage your resources, existing energy of the body in the best possible manner. But you need to
Okay.
increase it also so that you can feel better than what you felt 5 years back or 10 years back.
Okay.
That
Okay.
is for that you need to increase your fluid intake at least once in every 7-10 days.
Okay. So 1 week I should take only 1 glass while eating.
No,
One
I'll
glass
do
while
one thing.
eating.
I'll send you one more WhatsApp message that will
Okay.
give you the timing of the fluid as well as of when you should have the meals.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay.
So try to
Okay.
be as close as possible, if not 100%, and at least
Okay.
70-80% you should follow.
Okay. Definitely, sir. Sir, I need your account number so that I will transfer, because after so many happening, I have this, so because of your thing, I'm feeling hungry and I can eat. Before I can't able to eat anything. I don't like to eat. Now, whatever is there, I can eat properly. So
Okay.
I'm really, really very much thankful to you, sir.
Okay.
And
I'll
you
share.
just tell. Okay, definitely.
And
In this,
this number is on Paytm also.
yes, yes, I have.
Paytm, Google Pay, and Phone Pay. No, my number is also on this particular number.
Okay, okay.
You can
Through
use it.
Paytm only I will transfer.
Yeah, you
Through
can do
Paytm.
anything.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And there's no, I'm not suggesting any amount. Whatever you comfortable, so don't make it like a point that you have to pay only. So it's up to you only,
Thank
not
you. So,
necessary. Yeah.
definitely,
Okay.
definitely. Sir, you please send that video message. What
Ye-
hydration,
That will be
hydration.
text message only. I am just sending you across immediately within 1 minute.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.